In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this pegboard hook assortment kit. This is a 30-piece for pegboard, and it's a reason it's a 30-piece because this has some different items than your normal, just a bunch of little like stick-out things. And this is from the company Inslee. Inslee, I think's how you would say that. Let me show you some of the things that come in this. But check this out. You get these cup styles right here, and these are great for like screws and a bunch of other random type items. You get 3 of those. These little baskets, I got these little baskets before, but these seem to work really well also for just a bunch of little random stuff. And then here's what I really wanted. These, look at these crate baskets. So look at the size of these things. All of this just locks into your normal standard pegboard. And I think they can hold, I think it said it can hold up to 30 pounds. The little bins, they've got it 3. The cups, they've got it 6. And the standard hooks, they've got it like, I think 3 or 4. And here's all of the standard hooks that you get with this. Let me open this up. So you do get a lot of these style of hooks. These right here is how the cups are going to go in there. Check that out. So you get one of the cups. Just lines up just like that. I've made something similar to this that I had, but once I seen these, I went ahead and picked up a set of these because I really like this kit a lot. Oh, these right here are just kind of like to go over the points that stick out. I like these right here for screwdrivers, hammers, random stuff can go down inside of there. I tell you what, let me go ahead, let's set all this up on the pegboard. I'm not going to do all of them today because I actually need to get me a bigger pegboard, but what I am going to do is I'm just going to show you how the basket looks, how the cups look, and some of the random bins and all that. So let's go to the pegboard and set them up now. Okay, I don't know how well you can see in here because it's a little dark. I need to put some lighting up here. I've been working on this shed a little bit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to actually redo this and put a pegboard all the way across, have my bikes lined up there, and then pegboard all this up. But let me just give you a good concept of how these pegboards are going to work. I love this basket, everybody, how it just kind of locks in. I put my zip ties in here, some extra. I've never found a good way of holding these, so I'm just going to put them right there. I use those a lot. My scissors all went in these little buckets. There's the flat tray. I just popped this on the flat tray, but you'll use it some other way right there. The other basket over here, I have my electrical kind of design stuff where I'm doing electrical work. It all fits over here. But this is the actual layout of the pegboard. Oh, the paper towel, check that out. I didn't even know the paper towel thing was with this, but look at that. So now I have my shop towels on a paper towel right there. That's very innovative how they did that. The 2 pegs go together. You get 2 of these, so you can put 2 paper towels. Obviously, I need to pegboard more of this out and really set it up, but I'm very impressed with these. I recommend this for anyone that just has a shed, garage, where they want to put some baskets and just random top things. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Inslee, pegboard basket kit. See you on the next video.